Hello students, now I am going to explain about Newton's forward and backward interpolation in the module 5 numerical methods in the subject advanced calculus and numerical methods. So before going to start this forward and backward difference, first we should know how to construct the table of this forward and backward. Actually the table is the similar way only we have to construct. The values are same only thing is that denoting the terms will be change here. The first they will give in a question, they will give the set of x value and corresponding y value. So that two values you just substitute in the first two columns, so that value will become x0, x1, x2, x3 and so on up to xn, and the value of y will be y0, y1, y2 and so on up to yn, and the first difference is del y0. So first we'll see that forward difference, del y0, del y1, del y2 and so on up to del yn minus 1. In the second forward differences, del square y0, del square y1 and so on del square yn minus 2, and the next one is del cube y0, del cube yn minus 3, and the last value will be del n y0. This is forward difference, and the backward difference is so this is from the back you can observe, or else from the first only we can see that nabla y1, nabla y2, nabla y3 and so on up to nabla yn, and the second one is nabla square y2, nabla square y3 and so on up to nabla square yn, and the third one is nabla cube y cube, nabla cube into yn and so on. The last value will be nabla n yn. So this is what the terms denoting the values in the forward and backward difference table. So next we'll see the interpolation. Okay, what does mean by this interpolation? Means let y0, y1, y2 and so on up to yn be the values of the unknown function y equals to f of x corresponding to the value of x0, x1 and so on up to xn of x. The process of finding the value of y for the given value of x between x0 and then xn is called interpolation. So it means in a question they will give some set of x value corresponding y value. They asked us to find out the value of y at some particular value of x. That value of x lies inside the given range x0 to xn, means that we are going to call it as an interpolation. Suppose that value of x is lies outside the range x0 to xn, means that we are going to call it as a extrapolation. That only they mentioned here. The process of finding the value of y to the value of x outside the interval x0 xn is called as what? Extrapolation. So now here two types of formula will come. One is forward and the one more is backward. First we'll see the forward. Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula. Formula will be like this: y equals to y0 plus r into del y0 plus r into r minus 1 by 2 factorial del square y0 plus r into r minus 1 r minus 2 by 3 factorial del cube y0 and so on up to the last term, where r represents x minus x0 by h. Here h is the difference between only two interval of x. x0 means the first value of x here. Similarly, Newton's backward interpolation formula can be defined like this: y equals to yn plus r into nabla of yn plus r into r plus 1 by 2 factorial nabla square of yn plus r into r plus 1 r plus 2 of nabla cube of yn and so on. Here r is nothing but x minus xn divided by h. Now I given the formula of both forward and also backward. Now we'll see the problems based on this. Now we'll see the first problem. Find y of 1.4 given that some set of x value corresponding y value they given. X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y value is 10, 26, 58, 112, 194. So here set of x and y value they given. Here we have to find the value of y at x equals to 1.4. Okay, here not mentioned whether we have to use forward or backward, that we have to think. Okay, first use forward interpolation formula only, because the value of x, first value is 1 and last value of x is 5. They asked us to find out value of y at x equals to 1.4. This 1.4 is very nearer to the first value of x. It means very nearer to x naught value. So we'll go for use this Newton's forward difference formula only. So first what we have to do, we'll go for construct the table. So given x and y value, you just substitute, that is x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y value is 10, 26, 58, 112, 194. And next del y, del square y, del cube y, del to the power 4y. These values we have to find out with the help of formula. So just you take a difference, 26 minus 10, that is 16, 58 minus 26, that is 32. Just take the difference. So lower value minus the next value, that only del y. Okay, so here what we are, so now we are getting the value of del y is 16, 32, 54, 82 and del square y is 16, 22, 28. Del cube y is 6. Of course the next value del to the power 4y, that value will become 0 here. Now we should write the forward difference formula y of x, which is equals to y naught plus r into del y naught plus r into r minus 1 by 2 factorial del square y naught plus r into r minus 1 r minus 2 by 3 factorial del cube y naught, and so on. So first we have to find out r value, that is x minus x naught divided by h. Here difference of x value is 1, that is h is 1. X means 1.4 and x naught is 1. On simplification we are getting r value is 0.4. So y equals to 1.4. Now all the values it is available from the table. So all these values you just substitute. In place of r you just substitute as 0.4. On simplification we are getting the value of y at x equals to 1.4 as 14.864. This is what our required solution. Now we'll see the next problem. The area of a circle A corresponding to the diameter D is given by, so diameter and then area they given some value. So find the area corresponding to the diameter 105. It means we have to find out the value of y at x equals to 105 using appropriate interpolation formula, not mentioned whether forward or backward. So D is equals to 105. It means that value is very nearer to the last value of x, that is 100. So we'll go for use the backward difference formula. This is outside the range, so it means it will become an extrapolation. Okay, here first we have to construct the backward interpolation table. We have to construct given x and y value, we just substitute. Find out nabla y, nabla square y, nabla cube and nabla 4 of y values with the help of formula. So nabla y values will become 648, 688, 726, 766. And the nabla square y value will be 40, 38, 40. Nabla cube y value will be minus 2 plus 2. Nabla 4 y value will become a 4. So after getting this table, next is you just write the formula. Newton's backward interpolation formula. That is A. It means y of x. So area. So yn plus r into nabla yn, r plus 1 by 2 factorial nabla square yn, and so on. So all the values are available from the table. Only thing is we have to find out r. R is here x minus xn by h. 105 minus 100 divided by 5. After simplification we are getting r is equals to 1. You just substitute and go for simplification. We are getting the value of y at x equals to 105. It means a value will become 8666 square units. This is what our required solution. Now we'll see the last problem. Given f of 40 is 184, f of 50 is 204, 60, 70, 80, 90 they given p values. They asked us to find out f of 38 and 85 using suitable interpolation. Okay, here to find f of 38, x is nothing but 38 and y value corresponding y we have to find out. Okay, first we have to construct the table here. So x value, y value, you just write. X is 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and then 90, and corresponding y value also you just write down and construct the table. So you are getting the values of this del y, del square and also del cube. After constructing this table, next you just see x equals to 38, very near to the first value. Go for using Newton's forward difference and r value will become minus 0.2. You just write the formula, substitute all values. We are getting the value of f of 38 as 180.24. Similarly, the next value x equals to 85 is very near to the last value of x. Go for using backward interpolation formula. R value will become minus 0.5 and you just substitute these value in the formula, so that we are getting f of 85 is 289.75. So this is what our required solution. Thank you.